Unbelievable. Good morning everyone, how are we all doing? Morning, it's that time again, it's morning. We need to do our vehicle checks, so today I'm going to take you with me to walk around the vehicle, do our vehicle checks. We are parked on a road unfortunately, so we need to be careful, but we are here to do our job. Just because we're parked on a road doesn't mean we can't do our vehicle checks. Safety is key, so let's get outside. Come and join me. Let's go and check the vehicle and make sure it's roadworthy, truck and trailer. Let's go. So we're just going to step out the truck and do our checks. And while we're doing our checks, I'm just going to get rid of these shoes because they're in my way. In they go. Right, so just going to do our checks. So as you can see, we're going to give that a pass because the cab phone, I'm using it. Direct vision cameras and sensors, it's working. Any body damage, so what we need to do is we need to have a look at the body. Any issues, any problems, take a picture, but I will always take a picture of the lorry itself like that, and then what I do is I'll send that. I'll walk across. As you can see, we're scanning the body, can't see anything wrong with it on this particular side. So far so good. Just got to watch this side, a little bit of damage there, but we won't worry about that, it's not fresh. Just need to check to make sure there's no cars. So this body, take another picture, do this side. As you can see, the body is absolutely fine. Like you say, that there is old. Anything, nothing new, absolutely not. It's all looking good. Right, so there's the body done, so we're going to give that a pass. Wheels, general condition, wheel nuts. What we'll do, I'll have a quick scan this side. I took the picture of these before, well this morning, yesterday. This side was really good. And then we'll take pictures of the other side where it's safe. As you can see, there's a little, nothing to worry about. The depth there is really good. Depth in here is good as well. Not quite decent tyres to be fair. So this side, what we'll do, we'll take a picture of the wheels on the tractor unit, just to say we can have a look. I'll use that. We'll give that a pass. We've just checked the condition of the tyres and the brake warning lights, ABS warning lights. Oil and water, I didn't show it on screen. I did do it before I started the engine. Obviously when the engine's cold you get a good reading, so I'll give that a pass anyway. Wipers, washers and window screens, I know they worked, I used them this morning. Spray wings, suppression wings, so what I'll do is I'll take a photo. I'll give that a pass on this side. I'll check the other side. Just to make sure it's fixed. All good. It's all good. Solid as a rock. Trailer connections and the condition. I'll take a picture of that. Use that photo and say that's good. I'll give that a pass. Tacho discs, of course, I've just done my tachos this morning. Trailer seal, so there's a seal on this trailer. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over and we're going to take a picture of the seal. There we go, picture of the seal there. You'll probably find during these checks, or when I do my trailer checks, I will take another picture. Then we go and do a new check on the trailer with the trailer number. Bodyguards, wings, spray suppression, is there any damage? So what I do, I'll take a picture like so, and then I'll come and have a look. This is all good. These are, oh, they are solid, man. good there. I can't check too much because we're roadside. Underrun bars, so what we do with that, I put my camera, I take a picture underneath. That's the best way I can really have a look. As you can see, have a look at the underrun bars. Yep, they look good. I'll put a pass on that. Landing legs operation, yep. So I take a picture of them. Fire extinguishers, 2 at the back here. So what I do is always take a picture of them. At least they know I know where they are. We give that a pass. And that's a summary and that's a check. So I couldn't do a full in-depth full one because I'm parked on the main road. I don't want to get killed, but that is sort of what we do here. This has taken me 12 minutes to do this and the trailer with my pictures. Obviously you've seen the skip through version, but that's what we do. So we'll confirm that and we are ready to go pretty much. So we're going to get cracking, get back in the truck now and get cracking and get moving because we are in a rush. Not a driving rush, a time rush. So I have had an absolute nightmare. So I arrived at my destination for a collection yesterday, and I got there at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or 2:45, and didn't get seen till 8:30. Run out of time at 9 o'clock. So bottom line is I had to come back here this morning and reload, expecting a world of trouble. Boom, loaded straight away, not a problem. So got loaded and we're now heading to Amsterdam. So I'm going to take you with me on this one. How about that? Come and join me in the delights of the world of, or the country of Amsterdam. Not that we're going to see much, going to see an airport. That's about it. Just going to see an airport, I think, or around the airport anyway. Right, anyway, on that, mate, we are good to go. We are getting out of here, getting the hell out of Dodge, and away we go. So catch you soon. Ciao for now. So let's get off the train. We're now in France, so let's get off. Morning guys and girls, how are we? Look at the state of this. We are, where are we? Schiphol, just round the back of the airport, at the services on the A4. Both sides of this service station, it's just absolutely rammed. Come with me, have a look at the delivery point where we're going, and yeah, I'll update you after we've made our delivery. So that's it for now, and I'll talk to you soon. So we're in Berlin. Welcome to Berlin. As you can see, we're just 1.7 miles away from the job. Time we will be arriving, our ETA should be 7:16. We're not due there till 8 o'clock. So as I say, as always, we'd rather be early than late. I'd rather be an hour early than a minute late. We all know that. Yeah, I don't know what just happened back there. I didn't show it, but there was some form of police presence in the city doing all the controls. I don't know if it's because the lights were out or something a bit more sinister than that, i.e. there was some tape round a garage, so I don't know. Clearly something's gone on. However, so this job we are doing, just a little heads up, it does show that we're going to go in a 3.5 ton weight limit, but this is the most direct route in apparently, so this is going to be fun. Of course we do. 3.5 ton weight limit, you gotta be kidding me, man. I mean, there is another lorry, luckily enough, that's German in front of us. How do I know he's German? Because we were next to him in the queue and then we let other well, he couldn't get back in, so yeah. Great stuff. So this is all 7.5 ton. The other lorry in front is a 26 tonner, so he's come this way, so it can't be all bad. Let's just hope that we don't get done, because there is no other way into this other than this is the most direct route apparently, other than going zigzagging through roads that we probably wouldn't get down. So we've done our due diligence yesterday, we checked everything yesterday, and this is the most accessible way in a truck. Right, so we are almost here. We do have to go down a bit of a shitty road, and then we have arrived on site allegedly. It's somewhere around here. I mean, so this is Berlin. Well, we're just on the outskirts, about 3 miles outside Berlin. So we're down a road like that. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be nice and tight, this little road. Yeah, I thought it'd be this one. Of course, it's always a road you can't turn down. Oh yeah, I see that road. This is nasty. Nasty little turning. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I've got to go and do the same, have I? How's the back of that trailer? Yeah, well, we smashed it. Well done. Absolutely smashed it. So it's this on the left. Right, so we are going to do our reversing. Let's check it out. This could be fun. Bit tight. Yeah. So I need to get tight on this brush. Swing that round. Am I too tight there? Am I alright?
Right now.
Very tight on this bloody bush. Off we get. It's good. Tight on that gate. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. How am I doing with that? Just a little bit of turn there. Alright, that's not too bad at all. What's he want? Got it. And we're in. So we're on the nighttime shift now. We're just running into Berlin to do our trailer collection with the collection from Berlin, heading on back to Amsterdam. So come and join me. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. So, a mile and a half behind me, guys. Bright sunshine, blue clouds, amazingly stunning. Wow, a mile and a half the other way. And look what we got. Out of nowhere. Out of absolutely nowhere. And if you can see the spray at the side of my lorry, which you can't, that noise you can hear is the hazard lights. As you can see, some of the vehicles around me all have their hazard lights on as well. Apparently it's something they do here, but it seems to have cleared up now, or clearing up. We've just gone round through a cloud that is just absolutely unhappy with the world, so he thought, fuck it, I'm gonna let rip on one area, one big area in Germany, and I'm in it. Unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing? So we are on our way back from Berlin, heading to Amsterdam to do a delivery. So we've done a delivery from Amsterdam to Berlin. We waited around Berlin for a few days and then collected, and we're now heading back to Amsterdam. You've probably now just seen all that bad weather. Let me tell you, that was absolutely horrendous. I've been in some bad weather before, some bad storms. This wasn't even a storm, so it's really bizarre. It was really bright. I mean, I've got my sunglasses on now. It was really bright. I had my sunglasses on. There was a little bit of dark cloud, nothing amazing, but all the way to the right and to the left and behind me was just blue sky. It was absolutely stunning, like a red hot summer's day. It was 24 degrees. We gone up this hill, come down it, and just boom, from nowhere there was like one cloud just over our head, and it was horrendous. And I don't think I've been through or felt force of the rain or the access water on the road since I've been driving trucks. It was bizarre. Everybody's slowing down to 10 miles an hour from 55. Cars were going 5 mile an hour. Trucks were going down to 5 mile an hour. Then the cars started to speed up to 10 to 15. Trucks struggling to get up the hill a little bit with the track. It was bizarre, the traction. It was just so bizarre. And then, like, it never happened. It's just gone. I hope you're enjoying the episode so far. I have made a conscious effort to add more short videos on my TikTok, my Instagram, and on Facebook. If you haven't checked them out, go and check it out. It's Lee's Trucking 79. Go over there, add me on Facebook, add me on TikTok, add me on Instagram, and yeah, see what else I get up to when I'm not posting videos on YouTube. Somewhere above my head right now, I'll put a link up there. Click on the link. That's last week's video. It's more of a rant, really, like a debate that I was trying to get involved with, or trying to get you guys involved with. All right, everyone, how we doing? Well, once again, if you've tuned in for this episode, thank you very much for watching. Always trying to make things a little bit better on this job with what you can see. So I apologise if it's the same old. I will try and get a little bit more for you. Going to start trying to improvise a little bit more as to what I can show. But again, if you have stuck by for the last however many minutes you've been watching, really thank you very much. It's time for me to over and out you for now, and I will see you on the next episode, which is probably going to be next week. Fingers crossed. If not, it'll be whenever. Over and out for now, guys. Take care.